Where'd Grant go, Abby? Huh? Where did he go? You guys see him? Howie, you see Grant? Where's Grant? Huh? Bubba, have you seen Grant? Have you? Have you seen Grant? Wait, what's that? What is that? Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep them doggies rolling, 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 rolling. Ride. Grant, you riding your horse? Yeah, I couldn't go to the rodeo. So I just had to saddle up my green pony and we're gonna go keep an eye on the back 40. Yeah. What are we doing? What are you doing, Grant? Yeah! A little bucking. Got a little bit of a buck out of the green pony. Yeah. I'm a cowboy. I'm a cowboy. I'm a cowboy. Here's my lasso. Here's my lasso. Yep. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep them doggies rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Ride. Hi, buddy. I'm riding my horse. Yeah, I am. Yep. Daddy's just having fun while Mommy's out working out. We're just playing. Yeehaw! Aren't we? That's kind of fun. That's kind of fun. Dude, what are you doing, Doober-Doo? What is she doing? Get back. Hey, you get back in line. I'm trying to get all the heifers and the herd back in line. Hey, listen, dog. You ain't no border collie. You listen to my commands. You ain't a poodle. Poodles are smart. Look at Bubba. Bubba's a smart dog. Aren't you, Bubba? Yeah, I know. I don't even associate with those Airedales. I don't even associate with those Airedales. No way, because I'm Bubba. And there's Grant. He's just riding, keeping focused on his duties.